Do you have a lampshade you're not sure what to do with, but hate to get rid of it because you still think it has use? I'm going to show you a quick and easy DIY that you can do with pretty much any lampshade. I'm Larissa at Prodigal Pieces. I invite you to join me through my video tutorial here, but also take a minute and subscribe to my free email newsletter. It'll allow you to pick which time you get it in your inbox, whether it's once a week or as often as you'd like to get it. All right, let's have at this and have some fun. As you can see, as I'm disassembling my lampshade, it's coming off in pieces. You may find this, but you also might find it's in all one piece, and you can see what I'm going to do here to reassemble and just make sure that it holds tight. To add a little bit of texture, I'm using this webbing or seam reinforcement you would use in like the hem of a skirt or such, and somebody wrapped it around a medicine bottle, but I found it through a yard sale and it will add a little bit of texture as I wind it around my frame. Keep in mind that I'm totally keeping this an open cloche. You could use this with some sort of like a plastic mesh to make it for a cloche for covering your food when you have your food outside to keep the bugs off. You could use chicken wire like I've done in many of my projects I have linked to in my blog to make it an open thing. You have many uses for lampshades, and I hope that you will be inspired by this one. After I've added that extra lace there, I'm taking out these stickers that I used before on our DIY birdhouses, linked to that in my blog post. I just thought it added a little bit of architectural element to it, a little metal look to kind of go with that. And then when I was all finished, you'll see in my reveal photos that I add a little bit of blue wash paint to the frame just to kind of give it a patina. So our upcycled lampshade cloche is done with vintage vibe to it. You could totally take this any way you want with it, but you can see I tend to go for the vintage style and take embellishments from garage sales, thrift stores, add my own special touches that you just can't find necessarily in a box store. And of course I've set this one up for spring vibe with my hyacinth and my little DIY eggs and nest. Well, the nest is real, but I did the eggs for the sweater sleeve nest I made in another blog post that I've linked to as well. I invite you to join me at prodigalpieces.com for all the fun we have for you. Don't forget to sign up for my free email newsletter. See you later.